morning, good day creators. So we got our paws into yet another experiment, of course. We are going to test out our paint mixer, which is pretty darn cool. It's just a little teeny guy. We're going to be mixing some blue and some dark tan. I really wish I knew what colors they were, but they're all Oops paints that I got at my local hardware store. I know it's a bit bright on our sides here, so do forgive the light. We're still working on it. Still working on it, guys. So we are going to be using an old bottle, our paint mixer, some little spoons I got at the dollar store, and I'm trying to get a really kind of shamrock green. I know that sounds funny coming from like a blue and a tan, but I really think it's gonna work. I know that sounds funny, but it's kind of more like a yellow. So you know, blue makes green, makes so these have been shaped. I am going to be using, like I said, measuring spoons. Not measuring spoons, but just teeny little spoons. I mean, they're really cute. They come in like a pack. So this is, like I said, this is going to be an experiment. I'm not sure what colors we're actually going to get compared to, you know, a real color, but it's worth a shot. So I thought, why not bring you guys along with me? Actually, this one here is the second one on our list, and it really does dry a pretty blue. Even wet, it's gorgeous. And then we have a dark tan. And yeah, so I can't wait to actually do this. We are going to be using a paint mixer. This is just a little mixing tool. You know, these are really durable. We got these mixing spoons from the dollar store, the wedding section. I really like these. You can use these for basically anything. I think they'll be really good for like resin or micro powders. We are actually going to be using them for each of our colors here. We're going to be mixing them in an old bottle. I really do like this because if you have paint in it, just like I did here, which, well, yeah, it happens. So we're just going to be mixing it in this old bottle. The idea is blue with yellow, because they're the yellow family. We'll make a kind of a shamrockish green, but you know, who knows if this is going to be something that turns out. But I thought, why not take you guys along, because, well, why not, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I can't wait to see what colors we actually come out of this. We might actually get some more and experiment a little bit more. So yeah, so I will see you guys in the next clip once this is all done and we start painting up something. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the music. Okay guys, so we are back. As you can see, we used those two colors. We did come up with a nice green. I know this is not the best bottle to use for judging your colors, but it's what I had, so it's what we've got. As you can see, this one's still pretty much a bit wet. That is how it looks when it's just swiped. Didn't turn out too bad. It's a bit darker than I thought it would be, but I can always... It's a bit darker than I thought it was hoping for, but you can always add a little bit of white or something to tone down the colors. We are going to test it out on a popsicle stick as well, and I wanted to bring you guys along to see how it works. I think doing it on a non-paper like this also shows how it kind of smooths and runs. As you can see, it's kind of skipping there, and that's just with one dip of a size 5. That actually moved pretty smoothly. It didn't glob, and it's actually almost dry as it is. Let's see if we can get that. I really like how that looks. And like I was saying, the great thing about these bottles is they are waterproof, because you get these at the doctor's for your samples. We'll just leave it as samples. If you do want to keep it in this, I would suggest putting a teeny rock or a pebble or marble, Warhammer head, anything like that, or even a dice. That's what actually I use for mine. In here, so that when you shake it up, it kind of gives it something to kind of work with in there. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry for a little bit and let you guys see the wonderful color it is. It's not really a shamrock per se, but it's pretty darn close. But I am going to let it dry just to see if I want to add a little bit more of the tan to kind of give it more of a subtler color. Okay guys, so we are back and it is completely dry in all cases. It's very smooth. The color did turn out nicely. It's still pretty dark, but like I said, I'm not minding the dark too much because we are going to be doing some washes and some highlights on the projects that we are working with. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, I hope you guys had a great day, and always remember, fun one thing that makes you smile. Bye guys.